In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your occupation on TurboTax. Whether you've recently switched careers or just want to update your professional title, making this change in TurboTax is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and make sure your tax forms accurately reflect your current occupation. First, you'll want to open TurboTax and navigate to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu with several options. Look for the section labeled either Personal Info or My Info. This is where you'll manage all details related to your personal and professional background. Once you're in the Personal Info or My Info section, you'll see a summary screen displaying your existing information. Here, you'll want to locate your name, which should be prominently displayed. Next to your name, there's an option to edit this information. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to various personal details, including your occupation. Now, scroll down the page until you find the field labeled Occupation. This is where you currently have your job title or profession listed. If you've recently changed jobs, or if your professional designation has evolved, it's important to update this section to ensure your tax forms are accurate. Click inside the Occupation field, which will open up a text box. Type your new job title or profession into this text box. Be as specific as necessary. TurboTax doesn't require a formal job title, but it's helpful to be clear for your own records. For instance, if you previously listed your occupation as engineer and you've now moved into a managerial role, you might want to specify engineering manager or a similar title that better reflects your current position. Once you've entered your new occupation, look for the button that says Continue or Save at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will save your changes and update your tax forms to reflect your new occupation. It's important to ensure all information is correct before proceeding, as this can affect your tax return. And there you have it. Updating your occupation in TurboTax is as simple as navigating through the Personal Info section, editing your details, and saving the changes. Keeping this information up to date helps ensure that your tax return accurately reflects your current situation, which can be crucial for both reporting purposes and potential tax benefits. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, TurboTax offers detailed guides and customer support to help you navigate any other aspects of your tax filing. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your updated tax forms.